Hey guys, I'm back to share with you the second installment of my favorite Haitian Creole songs. This one will be the non-evangelic version. I first wanted to just give a shout out to and offer my condolences for all of the fans and family of Haitian music legend Joseph Dieudonne Larose, who passed away on January 9th. He had a very long music career, died at the age of 80. He started singing Haitian music in 1970 and from there just became super popular throughout the whole country. This song is called Ayisyen, and it is a story, a true story, about a time when Larose went to Cap Haitian and got into an accident, killed a pedestrian walking in the streets on an accident, and he went to be judged in front of a local judge for the crime. He got up on the platform, as the story goes, and began off the top of his head creating a song, music for the family of the victim. And this is the song. The second song I want to share with you all is Ayisyen by Ben. This is another oldie but goodie, and Ayisyen means Haiti is. In this song, Ben goes through and explains all the things that Haiti is to him. Every time I hear this song, it just takes me back to living in Haiti. Next, I have for you Patience L'amour by Kado Matsivite. Si la vie t'a permis moi gagner, you moyen pour vivre comme ça doit. Moi d'abord tout ça, yon garçon blé by femme. Mes poches, mes parfums, moi just fais some café. I remember when I first started understanding Creole, this was one of the first songs that I kind of learned. And my husband and I would always sing the part that just passed. And we bought ourselves a motorcycle. We couldn't afford a vehicle at the time. And so that song is always nostalgic for me because of that. This song, Papka Separe by Harmonic, is newer. I think it came out last year, but I really enjoy it. Papka Separe means we can't separate. By Richel and Kai. This one is very, very new. I love this song. The beat is so smooth. That is my favorite thing about it. When this first came out, I was playing it on repeat. Something that's very funny in Creole, tolerate you, is a positive thing. In English, tolerate, if you would say I tolerate you, it's like I really don't like you, but I just stick with it. Pomet Mwe by Kondolyans and Ayisyen. This was a super popular song in 2020. That is when it came out and it was just everywhere. The meaning of that is like strive. So they're talking about separated by distance. How is their relationship going to last? And so they're making all these promises. So if you watch the music video, you understand more. The guy has gotten like a visa approved to go to another country, and the woman has not, so she's being left behind. And so Kondolyans says, like, I'm not gonna forget you, that I'm doing this for us, and I'm working so that one day we can be together and have everything that we need. And so she's saying, no, like, whenever you get there and you're successful, you're gonna forget me. And then she says, promise me that we'll still be together whenever you reach success. Last one that I have for you today, guys, this one is Préféré by the same artist, Kondolyans and Ayisyen. Even if we die, I'm gonna love you in the next life. That is all that I have for you guys. My second installment of my favorite Haitian Creole songs. Let me know what you think in the comments if you've listened to any of these, if any of these are your favorites.